Okay, today's video. It's not about this pineapple, this little homegrown little pineapple plant I'm trying to grow, but it's about never having to buy green onions again. I haven't bought green onions in forever, because you never have to buy them again either. All you have to do is, when you do buy some green onions, get your green onions, clip them how you usually do, about to right here, right up in here. Leave that little bottom on and let this bottom get in water. Put it in a nice sunny window. It doesn't have to be very sunny, but you just need your sun. I have one somewhere else in a darker area, and they still grew. But make sure you put the water needs to touch this bottom part here. You don't want the water to go up too high. But they grow back so quickly. Excuse that dirty window in this. I gotta clean it. But they grow back so quickly. Meaning, you clip them, you put that bottom hit the water. You clip them to about right here, right up in there, and they grow so quickly. Almost within 3 days, you can clip again, and you can just do this over and over and over again. So you really never have to buy green onions again. Okay. Now the pineapple, I hadn't been a pro about growing the pineapple, but I do know some people who've done it. Some people use different methods, but this method, you'll see the roots growing. Let me see if you can see those roots growing out of the little bottom of the pineapple. I don't know what my next step is for that, because like I said, I haven't been successful necessarily with that. So you never have to buy green onions again. But if you like this video, and if you like affirmations, quotes, manifestation, law of attraction, natural remedies, hacks, and if you like comedy, if you like ASMR and food videos, just a lot of different random things, come back and see me. And we're gonna also try celery next, so we can see if celery is as good as the green onions, about growing in the window and growing at home and never having to buy them again. So we're gonna try that again. Thank you. Come back. Please subscribe, even if you don't want to. Just do it. It's free. Hit the like button, comment, share this.